Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics we all eventually ask ourselves. How do I find purpose in life? Finding purpose can feel overwhelming, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about it. Many of us spend years searching for that one thing that makes life meaningful. Whether it's through our careers, relationships, hobbies, or personal growth, finding purpose is something we all strive for. But here's the thing, purpose isn't a destination, it's a journey. And today, I'll guide you through a few steps that can help you find yours. Let's start by defining what purpose really means. Purpose is what gives your life meaning, it's your why. It's not just about what you do for a living or your achievements. It's about the underlying motivation that drives you to get out of bed in the morning. It's that deep sense of fulfillment you get from living in alignment with what truly matters to you. Purpose is personal. What gives one person a sense of fulfillment may be different for someone else. So, don't worry if your purpose isn't immediately clear, because we're about to explore some ways to uncover it. The first step to finding purpose is reflecting on your passions and strengths. Ask yourself, what lights you up? What are you naturally good at? Often, our purpose is hidden in the things we love doing, but might take for granted. I recommend taking some time to journal about these questions. Write down what activities make you lose track of time, or what you're always excited to talk about. Your purpose is often connected to these moments of flow and joy. When you align your purpose with something you're passionate about, it becomes sustainable. Imagine pursuing a purpose that excites you every single day. That's where you want to be. Next, let's explore what you truly care about. Purpose is often found in service to something greater than ourselves. Think about the issues, causes, or communities that matter most to you. For some, it could be helping others, protecting the environment, or advancing technology. For others, it might be creating art, teaching, or caring for animals. Reflect on the impact you want to have on the world. What legacy do you want to leave behind? Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not sure if I can pursue that. Or I'm afraid I'll fail. Fear and doubt are often what hold us back from discovering our purpose. And guess what? That's totally normal. Finding your purpose can feel scary, especially if it involves stepping outside your comfort zone. But remember, growth happens outside of fear. The key is to take small steps toward what excites you. Even if it feels uncertain, ask yourself, what would I do if fear wasn't a factor? That question can open up so many possibilities. Now, let's talk about how to align your purpose with your everyday life. Finding purpose doesn't mean have to quit your job or completely change your lifestyle, although for some, it might. It's about weaving purpose into what you're already doing. For example, if your purpose is to help others, you can find ways to do that through your current job, volunteering, or even small acts of kindness in your daily interactions. If your purpose is to create, then start dedicating time each day to that craft, whether it's writing, painting, or coding. By aligning your daily actions with your larger purpose, you'll feel more fulfilled and motivated. It's important to know that your purpose may evolve over time. The person you are today is different from who you'll be in 5 or 10 years. And that's okay. Regular reflection is key to staying connected with your purpose. Set aside time each month or year to check in with yourself. Ask, does this still fulfill me? Am I growing in the direction I want to go? It's okay if the answers change. Another important aspect of finding purpose is connecting with like-minded people. Surround yourself with those who inspire you and share similar values. These relationships can help you stay motivated and grounded. Sometimes, our purpose isn't something we figure out alone. It can emerge from collaboration, conversations, and seeing how our gifts impact others. So, how do you start today? Here are a few actionable steps. Reflect on your passions and strengths. Spend time journaling about what excites and energizes you. Identify what you care about, what causes or issues matter most to you. Face your fears. What would you do if you weren't afraid of failure? Align your daily actions. Start small by incorporating purpose-driven actions into your everyday life. Connect with others. Surround yourself with people who share your values and passions. By taking these small steps, you'll gradually uncover and refine your purpose. Remember, finding purpose is a journey, not a race. It's okay if you don't have all the answers right away. The important thing is to stay curious and keep exploring. Your purpose is out there, waiting to be discovered, and trust me, once you find it, everything will start to feel more aligned. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Pablo Picasso. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped spark some inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you think your purpose might be. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.